In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join LinkedIn groups. Whether you're looking to expand your network, share expertise, or stay updated in your field, joining these groups can be a pivotal step in enhancing your LinkedIn experience. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this right from your own LinkedIn account. To get started, you'll first need to visit LinkedIn's website, which you can do by typing linkedin.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your existing account. Input your email address and password, and don't worry if you've forgotten your password. LinkedIn provides an easy option to reset it. A quick note here, make sure you remember to keep your login credentials safe and secure. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the search bar. This is one of the most powerful tools on LinkedIn, allowing you to look up people, jobs, content, and, of course, groups. Next, click on that search bar. Type the word group and then hit the enter key on your keyboard. Simple enough, right? This will bring up results primarily related to groups, giving you a broad view of what's available. At this point, you'll notice a filter option on the search results page. Clicking on the Groups tab will refine your results, filtering out everything but the groups you might be interested in. This is a crucial step because it helps you streamline your search specifically to groups. A great way to save time and effort. Once the list of groups appears, you can scroll through and select one that aligns with your interests or professional goals. This selection might be based on the group's title, description, or the number of members. Remember, it's beneficial to choose groups that are active and have engaged members, as they offer more networking and learning opportunities. After you've pinpointed a group that captures your interest, go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to the groups page where you can learn more details about its purpose, rules, and what kind of discussions happen there. Finally, if everything looks good and you're ready to join, simply click the join button. This action sends a request to the group admin who will review it and decide on your admission. Most groups have their guidelines which are crucial, so be sure to read and adhere to them once you're part of the group. And that's all it takes. You're now on your way to becoming an active member of a LinkedIn group. Consider participating in discussions and sharing valuable insights, as these interactions can significantly enhance your networking and learning experience on the platform. Thanks for watching and happy networking.